Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily manage usage in diagnostics privacy settings on your Sharp 50 TV. So let's start off by going to the settings. Now scroll down until you guys see privacy, go to usage in diagnostics, and here you guys can disable the automatic information sent to Google. So it's like a crash report. As you guys can see on the screen, it's like crash reports and usage data from your device, apps, and Chromecast built in. So here we can easily disable it. Now we won't send any diagnostic information to Google, or when we enable it, then we will send those diagnostic informations. So this is how you guys can easily do that. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. Bye.